Hello students, today in this video I will explain you how to draw the pie graph. Exercise first day, question number 3rd. One table is given in the question. First of all we will make the table. Table is given. First heading of the table is activity. So first heading we will write activity. Second heading, number of hours. Third heading, we have to write sector angle. In order to draw the pie graph or pie chart, we need sector angle. So next heading we will write sector angle. So these are the three headings which we have to write in this table. Now first activity is study. Study. How much hours the Robin is studying every day? 8 hours. Second activity is sleeping. So sleeping, how many hours? 8 hours. Playing, how many hours he play? 3 hours every day he is playing. Then eating, 1 hour. And other activities 4 hours. Others 4 hours. So these much things are given in the question. Third heading is of sector angle. So in order to find the sector angle, what we have to do? Sector angle for studying we have to find. So number of hours he is studying, that we have to write in the numerator upon total number of hours in a day. How many hours in a day are there? 24. So 24 we have to write downside, multiply 360. Now these two numbers we will cancel with a table of 12. Or 12 to the 24, 12 3 ja 36, 30. Again we will cancel 2 15 ja. Or directly also we can cut with the table of 24. 24 1 ja 24. And this one will be 24 1 ja 24, 24 15 ja. Now we have to multiply this 8 with 15. When we will multiply these two, then we will get 120 degree. Similarly, we have to find the sector angle for sleeping. Number of hours he sleeps, that we have to write in the numerator. Total number of hours in a day, that we have to write in the denominator. Multiply 360. Now 24 and 360 we will cancel. 24 15 ja 360. Now 15 8 ja, we have to multiply 120 degree. Playing, sector angle we have to find for playing. 3 hours he is playing every day. So that 3 we have to take in the numerator, and in the denominator we have to take 24 into 360. 24 and 360 we will cancel. Now 15 into 3 we will do 45 degree we will get. Similarly we will find sector angle for eating. 1 hour he is eating upon total number of hours 24 into 360. 24 15 ja 15 into 1 when we will do, then sector angle we will get 15 degree. Next 4 hours. So 4 in the numerator. In the denominator we have to take 24 because in a day total number of hours are 24. Multiply 360. Now cancel these two with a table of 24. 24 15 ja. Now 15 4 ja we will do, then we will get 60. At the end what we have to do, we have to check whether we had drawn this table correctly or not. In order to check it, what we will do, we will total these, we will add all these sector angle. If we will get 360, then our answer is correct, then we will draw the pie chart. If our answer will not be correct, total will not be 360, then we have to find the mistake where we are having the mistake. Now we will add all these sector angle. 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 10 10 or 6 16 1 2 3. On adding all these we are getting 360. That means we have done correctly, our table is correct. Now we have to make pie graph, pie chart we have to make. In order to make pie chart, what we will do, first of all we will make one circle. Any radius we can take, either of radius 5 or of radius 6. We will draw one circle. Any radius we can take. This is the center of the circle. Now we will draw one straight line ourselves. Now with the help of protractor we have to make an angle of 120. Here we will keep one protractor. With the help of protractor we will draw an angle of 120. So here we will draw an angle of 120 here. 120 degree angle. Like this it will come. So here we will write this is 120 degree. And activity name also we have to write. This 120 degree is of studying. So here we will write study. Now we have to rotate our notebook. Protractor we will keep here like this. With the help of protractor we will draw another angle. Another sector angle is of 120. So on this line we will draw an angle of 120. So 120 will be like this. ये आ जाएगा 120. Now we will write the name of the activity also. This 120 degree is of sleeping. So here we will write sleeping. Now we will keep the protractor on this line. And we have to draw 45. So 45 will be this much. With the help of protractor we will draw 45, and we have to write the name of the activity also. This 45 degrees of plane. So here we will write this is plane. Next one is 15 degree. So on this line we have to keep the protractor and we will draw 15 degree. This 15 degree is of activity name is 18. So here we will write this is 18. And this last one is the remaining one. Only one angle is remaining, 60 degree. So no need to draw it. It will automatically come. This is 60 degree. This 60 degree is of others activity. So here we will write this is others. So this is the pie chart. So like this you have to do. Question number 3. Now all of you see question number 6. Sixth question. On a popularity rating conducted by Sun Network, actress A received 40% votes, actress B received 20% votes, actress C received 30% votes, and the other received 10% votes. We have to draw column graph as well as pie graph. So column graph is not in your syllabus. You have to draw only pie chart. So for pie chart, what we will do? We will make one table. 3 columns we will take. First column. First column will be of actress. Second heading we will put percentage of votes. How many percent of votes particular actress is getting, that percentage. And third heading will be of sector angle. Now first of all we will write how many actresses are there. Actress A, actress B, actress C, and at last others. Actress A got how much percent vote? 40%. Actress B got 20%. C got 30% and others got 10%. And if we will add all these percent, then we will get 40 plus 20, 60, 70, 80, 90 plus 10, 100. Why we are getting 100? Percentage meaning is, percentage means out of 100. So total percentage is 100. That's why some of these all values is coming here 100. Now we have to find the sector angle. In order to find sector angle, what we will do? This value we have to take in the numerator. Number of percentage of votes. Actress A got, that we have to write in the numerator. Total percentage of votes we have to write in the denominator. Multiply 360. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. These two 0 will also get cancelled. Now on multiplying these two, we will get 6 4 ja 24. 2 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 40. Next, same one we have to do here also. 20 upon 100 into 360. 20 upon 100 into 360. These two 0 will get cancelled. These two 0 will also get cancelled. When we will multiply these two, then we will get 72 degree. This is the sector angle for actress B. Now actress C, sector angle we have to find. So this value we have to take in the numerator. Total percentage of votes 100 multiply 360. 0 will get cancelled. On multiplying we will get 6 3 ja 18. 108. 108 degree we will get. Now sector angle for others we will find. So 10 value we have to take in numerator. Total value 100 into 360. 0 will get cancelled. Again 0 will get cancelled. So on multiplying it we will get 36 degree. Now in order to check whether we have done correct or not, we will add all these sector angle. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 7 13, plus 3 16, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. We are getting total of 360. That means we have done correctly. Now we have to draw the pie chart. In order to draw the pie chart, first of all we will make one circle. This is the center of the circle. Any radius you can take. You can draw the circle of radius 5 or you can draw the circle of radius 6. Now we have to draw one line radius also. One line we will draw. On this line we have to keep the protractor and we have to draw an angle of 144. So when we will draw an angle of 144, then we will get this line. So here we will write this is 144 degree and this is for actress A. This much part is of actress A. Now 72 degree we have to draw. 72. We will keep protractor on this line. After keeping protractor here, we will draw an angle of 72 and this is for actress B. Actress B. Now protractor we have to keep here and we have to draw an angle of 108. Then this angle we will get 108 degree for actress C. Now only one angle is remaining, 36 degree. So this remaining portion will be here. So we will write this is 36 degree and this is for others. So like this you have to draw the pie chart. So now question number 4, question number 5 are same as I explained you here. So question number 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. These 5 questions you have to do in your fair notebook. Rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video.